Why gaming PCs are ideal for the fight against coronavirus. Gaming PCs come with powerful graphics cards, and these are often ideal to help out with processing huge amounts of data in projects like this. Gamers who join the fight can use the software when their PC is not being used. It needs to be on, though, and they can pause the software when they play games so there's no impact on performance. Folding at Home is a well-known distributed computing project, and it's now putting its power towards simulating potentially druggable protein targets from SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, and the related SARS-CoV virus, for which more structural data is available. This could lead to better scientific understanding of coronavirus, and could help find a way to manage, or even cure, the virus. It's a great way to help the fight if you're feeling concerned about the spread of the disease and want to do something about it. You don't need any medical expertise and you don't need to leave the house either. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.